Have you ever imagined that something as simple as a tablespoon of natural ingredients could hold the key to transforming your cardiovascular health and boosting your sexual vitality? It sounds almost unbelievable, but the science behind it is compelling and grounded in centuries of traditional wisdom. Most of us rarely pay attention to the subtle signs of poor blood circulation, fatigue, cold extremities, or even the occasional chest discomfort, brushing them off as minor inconveniences. But the truth is, poor circulation doesn't just impact your energy levels. It affects your heart, your brain, and yes, your sexual performance. If you're wondering how, then stick with me, because the answer may surprise you, and it could be the key to enhancing your health in ways you never expected. Blocked arteries don't just threaten your life, they can quietly rob you of your confidence and vitality. That's why today, we're diving deep into a life-changing homemade remedy that's both simple and incredibly effective. Based on decades of research and traditional wisdom, this powerful blend of garlic, lemon, ginger, and honey can help cleanse your arteries, improve blood flow, and even enhance your performance where it matters most. Stay with us until the very end. Every detail matters, and what you learn today could be a turning point in your health and overall well-being. The science behind blood flow and vitality. Let's start with the basics. Why is blood flow so crucial to our health? Your arteries are like highways, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. When they're clear and elastic, everything runs smoothly. Your heart pumps efficiently, your brain stays sharp, and your muscles perform at their best. Good circulation is essential for optimal performance in all areas of life, from physical activity to mental sharpness, and even emotional well-being. However, as time goes on, poor diet, stress, and lack of exercise can lead to the buildup of fatty deposits on the walls of your arteries. This condition, known as atherosclerosis, narrows your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow. The result? Your heart works overtime to pump blood, increasing your risk of heart attack and stroke, and blood struggles to reach areas like your extremities. And yes, even your sexual organs. Erectile dysfunction, often seen as an emotional or hormonal issue, is frequently linked to poor circulation. Without enough blood flow, achieving and maintaining an erection becomes a challenge. It is a sign that the body's arteries are becoming blocked, reducing circulation and overall vitality. This is why improving arterial health should be considered a priority, as it not only protects your heart, but revitalizes your entire system. You're not just protecting the heart, you're helping to restore your energy, vitality, and confidence in every aspect of your life. The hidden risks of blocked artery. What's truly alarming is that arterial blockage often starts silently. In the early stages, you may not notice any symptoms, but over time, subtle signs might begin to appear, such as increased fatigue, shortness of breath, or noticing that cuts and bruises take longer to heal. For men, one of the earliest and most telling signs is erectile dysfunction. At this point, many people tend to ignore the symptoms, chalking them up to stress or aging. However, failing to address these issues early can have serious consequences. As plaques harden, they can rupture, causing blood clots that block vital arteries. When this happens, the results can be life-threatening, with heart attacks and strokes as the potential outcomes. But there's good news. Nature has provided us with tools to combat this. The remedy we're about to discuss is one of those tools that can help clear your arteries, improve blood flow, and combat some of the root causes of poor circulation. It's time to stop ignoring the warning signs and start taking steps toward better cardiovascular health. The magic of natural ingredients. At the core of this remedy are 4 powerful ingredients, each with a unique role in protecting and enhancing your health. Let's explore the magic of these natural wonders: garlic, lemon, ginger, and honey. Garlic has been celebrated for centuries for its potent medicinal properties. What makes garlic truly exceptional is a compound called allicin. This sulfur-rich compound works by relaxing blood vessels, improving circulation, and reducing inflammation. Studies show that regular garlic consumption can lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and even reduce the risk of developing atherosclerosis. Garlic's ability to naturally improve blood flow and reduce cholesterol levels makes it an invaluable ally in maintaining arterial health and preventing blockages. Lemon is a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon is your first line of defense against oxidative stress. This stress, caused by free radicals, accelerates aging and promotes plaque formation in your arteries. In addition to its antioxidant properties, lemon also helps balance your body's pH. Moreover, lemon is known to enhance detoxification, promoting the elimination of toxins from the body and supporting liver function. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory and vasodilator. It helps improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support heart health by increasing blood circulation. Ginger's ability to combat silent inflammation, a major contributor to arterial blockage, makes it an essential ingredient in this remedy. Additionally, ginger helps with fat metabolism, further supporting your efforts to reduce cholesterol levels and promote arterial health. Honey is much more than just a natural sweetener. When pure and high quality, honey offers a wealth of enzymes and nutrients that support immunity and stabilize blood sugar levels. Honey also serves as an effective antioxidant, helping to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation throughout the body. Its natural sweetness makes this remedy not only highly beneficial but also palatable, ensuring that you'll stick to your routine. Why timing is everything. Taking this remedy in the morning on an empty stomach can make a world of difference. When your stomach is empty, nutrients are absorbed more efficiently. The active compounds in garlic, lemon, and ginger can interact directly with your digestive lining, ensuring that they are fully absorbed into your bloodstream and delivered to where they're needed most, your arteries, heart, and brain. This targeted approach maximizes the remedy's benefits, allowing it to work its magic on your arteries, cholesterol levels, and circulation from the very first moment. By making this a daily habit, you can begin to feel the benefits quickly. The role of silent inflammation. One often overlooked factor in arterial health is low-grade silent inflammation. This chronic state of irritation weakens blood vessel walls, making it easier for fat and cholesterol to accumulate. Over time, this results in the buildup of plaques that narrow the arteries, decreasing blood flow and increasing the risk of dangerous blood clots. Silent inflammation also disrupts the body's natural repair mechanisms, making it more difficult to heal and regenerate tissues. Fortunately, garlic, ginger, and lemon are all powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Their natural compounds, like allicin and gingerol, target the chemical markers of inflammation, calming your blood vessels and promoting healing from the inside out. The impact on cholesterol. One of the key drivers of arterial blockage is high LDL cholesterol. When LDL cholesterol accumulates in the walls of your arteries, it forms plaques that not only narrow the passage, but can also rupture, causing dangerous blood clots. This is a major contributor to heart attacks and strokes. This remedy tackles cholesterol on multiple fronts. Garlic works to lower LDL cholesterol while simultaneously boosting HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that helps clear fats from the arteries. Lemon's antioxidants fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to plaque formation. Ginger aids in fat metabolism, helping reduce overall cholesterol levels. Together, these ingredients create a comprehensive approach to cholesterol control, promoting both heart health and vitality. How to prepare the remedy. To prepare this powerful remedy, start by mashing 3 to 4 fresh garlic cloves into a paste. Then, add the juice of 2 ripe, pesticide-free lemons, making sure to get all the juice out to maximize its benefits. Next, grate a tablespoon of fresh ginger root and mix it with the garlic and lemon juice. To sweeten the mixture and enhance its healing properties, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure honey. Once everything is thoroughly combined, store the mixture in a clean, airtight container in the refrigerator. You can choose to strain it for a smoother texture or leave it as is to allow the nutrients to continue extracting over time. Each morning, take 1 tablespoon of this mixture on an empty stomach, and over time, you'll start noticing improvements in your energy, digestion, and overall circulation. Building a healthy lifestyle. To get the most out of this remedy, it's important to incorporate it into a broader, more holistic approach to health. This isn't just about one thing. It's about nurturing your body with a complete, balanced lifestyle. First, focus on eating a diet filled with whole, nutrient-rich foods. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, while cutting back on processed foods that are loaded with unhealthy fats, refined sugars, and excessive sodium. These small changes can make a huge difference in your overall well-being. Next, don't forget about exercise. Regular physical activity not only strengthens your heart, but also boosts circulation, which is key to maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This can be as simple as a brisk walk, cycling, or yoga, whatever keeps you moving. Managing stress is another crucial piece of the puzzle. Chronic stress can have a significant impact on both your heart and your hormones. That's why incorporating mindfulness, meditation, or even deep breathing exercises into your routine can help lower stress and improve your overall well-being. Taking time to slow down is essential for both your mental and physical health. Lastly, make sure you're staying on top of your health with regular checkups. Monitoring your cholesterol, blood pressure, and heart health is important to track progress and catch any potential issues before they become serious. By keeping an eye on these factors, you'll be better equipped to take control of your health and make informed decisions. This holistic approach will help you build a foundation of strength and vitality for the long term. A journey worth taking. Transforming your health is not about quick fixes. It's about consistency, patience, and taking small, actionable steps toward a better, healthier life. By incorporating this remedy into your daily routine, you're proactively supporting your heart health, boosting your vitality, and gaining confidence in your physical and mental well-being. It's a simple habit with profound benefits. Now that you know how a simple, natural remedy can make a profound impact on your heart and overall vitality, it's time to keep building on this foundation of health. But there's more to be aware of when it comes to your body's signals. Did you know that certain odors could be warning signs of serious health issues like cancer? It may sound surprising, but your body often communicates through subtle signals, including changes in the way you smell. These smells can be early indicators that you shouldn't ignore. In our next video, 8 Cancer Smells You Shouldn't Ignore, comprehensive guide, we'll dive deep into the types of smells that may point to underlying health concerns, helping you stay ahead of potential risks. Watching this could be a game changer for your awareness and well-being. Don't miss out on this important information. Your health is worth it. See you on next video.